Sisen pedang subhai pi sini channel jonga madakas ngi wan kai sha po biological park humtrau ketli bha don brew ra don brew ra don tangi merat sudah terai ya nilipit cash po ada subscribe thanks ya. Ini kena rin yang balik pialam hangde umdan ni ihira kena kecekale. Ini kena kepak merat. Apa kebubiet nyawan jat merwe ngaku apa merat. Kena keskai. Ini kasir nih. Ini bersamba dia kena keskai ya. Lak mubiet nyawan jat sini. Tang bakal imrat. Tambah kimerat pat kimi hira sabar syang hiyeng besit palat jelap ane kita badan sky tambang ambil ir kata sky barking deer ke sky ke bawah yarsau ambil ir sky he ke dan kata hiyeng kende kajian amar bakisna yeng kimerat klau merat klau kita na klau kita senayeng teh yang nem dending dan sej dan klau kin le yu kan bapli perlok awan po Meghalaya Biological Park po umtro boy umtro ngalapet merat arjaka bro artelium styra ngakoi imanggus yung mongoose kasi kung kumno mongoose palit sini dan yung amtibra spit cash kemat oh teh sky teh itu nasam sky jing ta badan jing em kisna footpath badan dead end hal adi sisa banang dikena meneh May balik hiwan lam sini kaneli kamtani era sisa kaduna palat expectation jenga kala he palat te takadaw nang lawan pat kenduk hire tang marsis tengru tentang siya inti bet namar bang watsam kimrat hai kibu semersiang sino tu bersiang pat lu an kelas ya lepat laptop sim oh laptop sim nanti sih stay. Takon dia kena kesam beri ni. Tinggal lawan dan tak wik sky. Imat besit. Kena? Kiri terai imat besit plat kesini. Oh lah top sem. Ni mong.
Wajib lah no. Dingin mah terbuai antang. Apa? Jil terbuai umui deh ti tuar entahlah. Pilang dang delot krep ti tuar.
Kepada pura re so setbuan re.
Dai.
Merat klau biju re lun selan deh.
Tar pai.
Kan Anwar isa jaila.
Jaila. Cilana. Cila semua.
Kera ni krem. Kira ni kirim
Asian Palm Kibat. Hey don tapat ngami ira. Hey nyepat ban. Katali takacaka. Shiro mi isri. Ngami isri, ngami idengem, ngami ikla, ngami iskay, ngami ira. Kena ada kesam dengem. Dan ira dengem dulu. Tang tei wave siyang beranda. Tei wave. Kali kena kapak te kampat longra. Padan merata. This is the only biological park that has no biology in it. I'm not satisfied with this park at all. No. Not even a little bit. I should have gone to Kaziranga Park. Somebody just said like, if you come to my village, there are more animals in his village than this park. I'm sorry, biological park, but you have to face the truth. You don't have enough animals. But with the price that you charge 50 rupees, worth it. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, let me introduce you to jackfruits. This is baby jackfruits. Baby jackfruits. In a few months' time, the jackfruit will become Jack the Giant Slayer. I'm so tired. I'm going back. Thank you for visiting to my channel. Please drop a like, subscribe. Meghalaya Biological Park is done. You want me to tell you the truth? It's empty. How many sheds are there? Deer, monkey, bear, leopard, fox. How many animals? Only deer is there. Monkey is hiding, leopard are not even there, foxes are hiding, bear was hiding. Only one deer I can see. So I'm not happy at all. Thank you. See you in the next video.